Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully today we can get this old turd over here fired up. Alright guys, so I'm probably going to work on getting this front clip bolted on real quick and get my wiring. This is for the headlights, get it ran back around through the front here. And I gotta get my battery and all back in and exhaust and a bunch of little stuff before we get it fired up here. And I gotta put my torque converter bolts in. I forgot to put those in.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress.
Alright guys, we gotta put this gazebo up. It's getting hot out here. But I got all my headlight wires ran. And I'm getting ready. I guess he's getting ready to take off the starter so we can get to the torque converter, because I forgot to put my torque converter bolts in. So we're getting ready to do that now. Alright, got the cold pack unplugged. I'm going to turn it over a little bit, try to get some oil worked up in it. I got 2 pounds of oil pressure. That's probably enough.
I didn't have any either when I was doing it, remember?
Yeah.
Or yours is probably more sensitive than mine anyway.
I don't know why I get like it. Excited.
I do too.
Alright guys, I got a fuel leak right here at my compression fitting, and I kind of figured it was going to leak because them fittings are one-time use, and I took it apart to take the fuel lines off so I could paint the frame. But I got a new one here, and we're not going to put it on because I still got to take everything off of here to paint the frame, the gas tank and all, so it'd be kind of pointless. So we'll do that after I paint the frame. But I think the next thing I'm going to work on is getting the outlaw shifter installed. I still got it on jack stands here. Yeah, but I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.